Right, we got this is it Hoover HL4 PT, HL4 Pet would be similar, but every time I powered it on, one, it's completely dead, nothing happens, and the floor nozzle, the floor head doesn't come on or nothing, no lights, it's just totally dead. I tried the obvious of swapping the fuse. Every time it does that, it seems to blow the fuse, because the power goes on my fan when I've got it on. So I don't know what the issue is, but I'm suspecting the cable, rather than anything else. If it's going to be the switch or something, I would still get lights on the floor head. Something would happen. So I'm more thinking it's the cable, but I have somewhere another cable I'm going to try. It's not a perfect match, but it's just to see if that's, basically I want to see if the motor still works, because at the moment it's completely dead. Right, there's 2 screws, there's one there. It's just a normal Phillips posi screw, nothing fancy. Where is it? Yeah, nothing fancy. So there's that one, and then where is it there? Where's that screw gone? Screw's not dropped yet. But yeah, you do the 2 screws and then the cap just falls off the top. There we go. Right, there's those 2. So yeah, I am thinking it is the cable. I don't think it's a switch, so I'm just gonna, it's 2 screws on the cable cover. The cable I got to try this is actually from a Shark, because I don't have the actual proper replacement, so it's just going to be trying basically see what happens if I do replace it. I don't think it's a switch. So that's all. And I've got to say, these are pretty. And the reason I look at that, look how it's gouged it, and that's what, you know, how it's manufactured. Look how it's pressed against it, and that's what I'm thinking. Something in these is. I might strip it and see what it looks like a minute. Strip it back a bit. See, look, that just does not look right. What have I got there? Never thought about doing that. Not ideal, but it's all I could get my hands on. So as much as it's crimped it, it hasn't. You know, I'm just going to put it all back. So, I couldn't see any damage on the cable, but I'm confident. Because there's no lights coming on the floor head, I'm confident it's something to do with the cable, maybe a switch, but right, let's strip this back, see. wasn't thinking about doing this, so I'm not really prepared. Nothing's. Let's cut that to get that out of the way. Just a cover. Right, let's do a bit more. Chin. Still nothing. You can just fast forward. I'm not going to worry about editing that out because it's just wasted time. Just skip it a bit. Just skip it a bit. Fast forward. I'm just intrigued to see where the fault is. At the moment, there's nothing looking obvious. Right. Not easy doing this, it gets tangled up. Spaghetti junction. Strip that right the way back to the plug. Cannot. Well, it doesn't look like there's any obvious breaks, tears. No. Right. Where I put it? I got this. I'm just gonna. Should I cut? This isn't the actual correct one, but it will do for testing. And I know this cable definitely works because it's from a working. I'll get rid of that grommet for testing. Right. Where do we get to? So we want to. Where did the joiner go? I don't know what I've done with the joiner. Anyway, that black one. Right, that black one is the. You got black to that one, brown to that one. That's the short wires, and then the main one comes in, and it's there. Right, I do want. But it's not the right one. Right, not ideal. Not ideal because I want to. Where did I put it? I'm just going to try and. This is only testing purposes. I wouldn't. I don't even think I've got any electrical tape. I'll do if I put that down there. That goes down there. That goes there. There's no. possible contact, so that's fine. That's too long, so we'll poke that out. Right. Should be no issues. Just going to make sure the second yeah. So it was the cable, which is bizarre. So the only other place could be damaged is inside the plug. That's what it was. Look, it's just pulled out. Wow. How dodgy is that? Wow. Well, there you go then. We found the solution. We found the problem. It's not genuine. This is just a demonstration to show you that if it's completely dead, check the cable. I'm sure you can. Well, this is from a Shark. This is from a Shark 602. You could easily, you know, shorten the blue one, connect it all back up. So yeah, NV602 UK, UKT. You could definitely connect it all back up with that sort of cable. But yeah, that's all I'm showing you. Is it's not likely to be the motor, simply because if it was the motor at fault, you'd still have lights on the floor head. Because there's no light, it's completely dead. That's why I looked at the cable. It could have been the switch, but it's worked out as a cable. Right, hope it helps. I'm off. Cheers.